Welcome to the desert. Here the sun shines so strongly that all the animals need to get water from very hard sources like cacti. But this is the Sahara Desert, or is it the Gobi Desert? The sun is shining. It's shining brightly. This fox is a desert fox. Looks like an Egyptian desert fox. Its eyes are watching carefully as it loads. Bullseye! It spies the target. What is the target? Well, but now winter is approaching. It's come down the mountains. It's giving the trees its green. The flowers are blooming. The snow is increasing. Snow has arrived. Winter has arrived. This is what the desert looks like in the winter. The dust and pollen and sperm of flowers are flowing through the air. It's still winter. Oh, the snow is blowing everywhere. The animals are still thriving in this winter landscape. Here is another fox. It's the same Egyptian desert fox. Its eyes are closed shut because the winter cold is too strong. But it trods with its gentle, light feet through the snow, looking for food. Has it found it? No, it hasn't. Keep looking, fox, keep looking. Oh, this is another fox now. You can tell by the ears. It's much smaller. This is the red fox. It's located in North America and throughout the Arctic areas. Not sure if it's Arctic fox or not. Okay, well, this is it for now. The fox will live on forever.